All right. Welcome back, everyone, for another deep dive.
Always exciting to be back.
So today we're diving into XRP. Buckle up, because it's been a wild ride recently. We've got some analysis of XRP's price movements, and let me tell you, things are getting interesting.
Yeah, definitely interesting.
So just to set the stage for everyone, XRP has gone up like a lot recently.
Up a lot is an understatement.
Haha. Yeah, you're not wrong. We're talking a 14% surge in just the last 24 hours.
It's been crazy.
And get this, over 200% in the last month.
Which puts it amongst the top performers, right?
Absolutely. I mean, it's even outpacing Bitcoin.
Wow.
And running right alongside Dogecoin, believe it or not.
So the big question is, what's driving this growth?
Exactly. What's going on with XRP? What's fueling this incredible surge? Well, the analysis we've got points to a pretty surprising connection.
What's that?
The U.S. election.
Oh, interesting. So you're saying the recent U.S. election could be impacting XRP's price?
That's what the analysis suggests, yeah. Specifically, it seems like the Republican victory might have something to do with it.
Huh. Okay. How so?
Well, it looks like this win has kind of boosted confidence.
Confidence in what?
Well, in U.S.-based crypto companies in general.
I see. Because of potential policy changes, maybe?
Right, like Ripple, the
Yeah.
company behind XRP, might benefit from a more, how do I say it, a more crypto-friendly environment.
That makes sense. So less regulation, potentially.
Exactly. And it's not just like the overall sentiment. Some analysts are pointing to specific policy proposals from the Republicans that could really change things for XRP.
Like what?
Well, there's been talk about stablecoin regulation and how that could create a more favorable environment for XRP, even if it's not directly related.
Indirectly, yeah. It's all connected.
Right. And on top of the whole election thing, there's another big regulatory shift that the analysis brings up.
Let me guess. Gary Gensler.
You got it. Stepping down as SEC chair in January.
Big news. I mean, Gensler's been, well, pretty tough on crypto, hasn't he?
Yeah. A lot of enforcement actions. So his departure has, well, kind of sparked some optimism in the crypto community.
Makes sense.
People are hoping for, I guess, a fresh start, maybe.
And potentially a less strict approach to regulation.
Exactly. So less uncertainty, maybe, and more room for crypto to grow.
Which could explain why people are turning to XRP again.
Right. And speaking of people turning to XRP, the analysis also points to some pretty interesting market activity.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
Record open interest in XRP futures contracts.
Okay, for those of us who don't speak finance, what does that mean exactly?
Fair enough. So basically, open interest refers to all the outstanding futures contracts for an asset. And when you see record levels like with XRP right now, it's a sign that trading activity is up.
So more people are buying and selling XRT futures.
Exactly. And that kind of speculation can really fuel price movements.
So more people are betting on XRP, which pushes the price up, which then attracts even more people.
It's a bit of a cycle, yeah. A self-fulfilling prophecy almost.
Yeah.
And speaking of things that could drive the price up even further, there's been a lot of buzz about a possible XRP ETF.
An ETF?
Yeah, an exchange-traded fund. Basically, it would let investors buy and sell shares that track the price of XRP, just like they would with stocks.
Oh, I see. So it makes it easier for people to invest in XRP.
Exactly, and it could open the door to a whole new wave of investors.
Especially institutional investors, the big players who might have been hesitant to jump into crypto directly.
Right, so an XRP ETF could be a massive catalyst for growth.
Definitely something to watch.
For sure. But the analysis doesn't just focus on the market hype. It also digs into some really cool developments happening within the XRP ledger itself.
Okay, I'm intrigued. What kind of developments?
Well, for example, there's a new money market fund that's operating directly on the XRP ledger.
A money market fund on the XRP ledger. So it's not just a cryptocurrency anymore.
It's becoming more than that, yeah. This fund allows users to, lend and borrow different assets. And all the transactions are settled using XRP super quickly and efficiently.
Wow, that's actually really cool. So it's a real-world use case for XRP, demonstrating its potential beyond just trading and speculation.
Exactly. And on top of that, there's Ripple's recent investment in the Bitwise physical XRP ETP.
Remind me, what's an ETP again?
It's an exchange-traded product, similar to an ETF, but it tracks the price of an asset.
Gotcha. So Ripple invested in this ETP that tracks the price of XRP.
Yeah, and it's seen as a big vote of confidence in XRP's future. Actually, shortly after the announcement, XRP jumped 10%.
Wow, that's significant.
It really is. So to sum it up, we've got political shifts, regulatory changes, booming market activity, a potential ETF, and real-world developments happening on the XRP ledger.
No wonder XRP has been surging.
It's been on fire. In fact, it recently hit its highest point since April 2021.
Really?
Yeah, almost $1.70. And the market volume, a whopping $10 billion.
That's incredible.
It is. And the analysis suggests that this momentum could push XRP even higher, potentially reaching $2.
$2. Wow. That would be quite a milestone.
Definitely. So here's a question for all of you listening. Do you think $2 is just a stepping stone for XRP, or are there potential roadblocks ahead? We've covered a lot today, but the real deep dive begins now. What do you think? Do your own research, explore these points, and see what conclusions you draw. The world of crypto is constantly changing, and XRP is definitely one to keep an eye on.
Agreed. This is just the beginning, folks.
Until next time.